For 100 years, Viestenz Smith Mountain Park has been a treasured gathering place for the Loveland community.
I've been coming up here since I was 4 years old. It's one of the best memories I've ever had in my lifetime.
The park brings our community together through countless opportunities for connection, education, and enjoyment.
Getting out and being in the mountains, it makes me want to hike and explore.
With 400 acres, there's never a shortage of things to do.
Just doing some fly fishing, enjoying the atmosphere out here. A lot of people picnicking. It's a great place to be.
I would say our most popular activity is the river beach.
It's a really close spot to Loveland to come and hang out in nature.
It's just a gorgeous place. It's a real asset for the city.
With 100 years of history, every path, tree, and gathering place tells part of the park's story. The city of Loveland purchased the land from early settler Louis Papa. Visitors can see the site of his original cabin, marked by a reconstructed foundation showing its size and layout.
There's history here all around. There used to be a power plant that was powered by the water that came through. There are some pieces still left over.
Built in 1925, the original hydroelectric plant operated until it was destroyed by a flood in 1976. A second plant was then built to replace it. The replacement plant operated until 2013, when another major flood struck the park, severely damaging the plant and destroying most of the park. During the rebuilding effort, the power plant was removed and the park was redesigned as a community gathering space. The redesign gained national recognition in the National Recreation and Park Association magazine for creating a resilient landscape that protects against both future flooding and wildfires, while remaining community-focused and inclusive for all residents.
I think people don't realize how much of this park is accessible. You can do pretty much everything with any age group, any ability.
Today, City of Loveland volunteers and staff teach visitors, including many children's groups, about the history and nature of the park and Big Thompson Canyon.
One time I was doing a program and heard a sheep came down from the hill, went and got a drink, and then they came up and watched me do my presentation for the kids. So
it's incredibly rewarding to work with the children and see the light come into their eyes when they touch and feel and see and experience the canyon and all that it has to offer.
Celebrating a century of history, Viestenz Smith Mountain Park stands as a treasured landmark of connection, enjoyment, and lasting memories. Its natural beauty and enduring significance have enriched countless lives, creating a legacy that will continue to inspire and bring joy to future generations.